Hello, inspiring artists and creatives. Are you ready to unlock your full artistic potential and dive into the world of visual arts? You've come to the right place. We offer free, comprehensive visual arts courses that cater to all skill levels. From drawing to digital art, we've got you covered. Our courses support every artist's growth. Beginners can start with basics, while advanced artists can master complex techniques. Immerse yourself in the world of fine arts. We break down art theories into easy-to-understand lessons, covering color theory and composition. Thinking about a career in art, we provide tips on building a portfolio and finding opportunities in the art world. Short on time? Our 60-second quick tips help you improve your drawing skills efficiently. Learn and practice smart. Our structured practice sessions and detailed notes will help you reinforce your skills and apply what you've learned. Join our creative community by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Let's create, learn, and grow together.